Guerrilla Gardening, Greening the Gray Spaces. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines activism, gardening, and a touch of rebellion. We're talking about guerrilla gardening. This movement has been sprouting up all over the world, turning neglected urban areas into blooming spaces. Stay with us to uncover the roots of this green revolution and why it's making such a difference in our concrete jungles. Guerrilla gardening is a form of grassroots activism that involves planting flowers, vegetables, and trees on land that guerrilla gardeners do not legally own. This could be anything from a neglected planter on a public sidewalk to an abandoned lot. The primary goal is to beautify and repurpose unused or unloved land for the benefit of the community and the environment. The term guerrilla originally refers to a form of irregular warfare. In this context, it signifies an unconventional method of adding green spaces to urban areas, often done secretly at night to avoid confrontation with authorities. The concept of guerrilla gardening is not new. It has roots going back to the 1970s, although similar acts of planting on unused land without permission can be traced even further back in history. The modern movement gained momentum in the early 2000s, with groups forming worldwide to take action against the lack of green spaces in their cities. These guerrilla gardeners see themselves as part of a global effort to reclaim land for nature and the community, often highlighting issues of land use, urban decay, and the importance of green spaces for mental and physical health. There are several reasons why individuals and groups engage in guerrilla gardening. Firstly, it beautifies neglected areas, transforming them into vibrant, colorful spaces. Secondly, it creates new habitats for wildlife, supporting biodiversity in urban areas. Guerrilla gardening also promotes community engagement and social cohesion, as neighbors come together to care for their environment. Moreover, it can raise awareness about urban greening and sustainability, encouraging people to think more about their relationship with nature and the importance of public spaces. Becoming a guerrilla gardener is surprisingly simple, but it does require some planning and discretion. Here are a few steps to get started. 1. Identify a spot that needs greening, such as an empty plot or a bare roadside verge. 2. Choose suitable plants that are hardy and can thrive with minimal care. Native plants are often the best choice as they require less water and support local wildlife. 3. Prepare the site by clearing away rubbish and weeds. 4. Plant at the right time, usually under the cover of night to avoid drawing attention. 5. Return to water and maintain the site until the plants are established. Remember, the goal is to improve the area without causing damage or inconvenience to others. Always consider the long-term impact of your planting choices. Guerrilla gardening is more than just planting flowers. It's a statement about the world we want to live in. It's about community, nature, and taking action to make our urban environments greener and more livable. We hope this video has inspired you to look at the spaces around you in a new light and perhaps even to join the guerrilla gardening movement in your own way. Thank you for watching, and remember, every little plant helps in the fight against urban decay. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.